Hair topper with halo wire is becoming popular. If you want to DIY your hair topper with halo wire, below steps will be helpful. Things you will need: 3 silicone rings, a sewing needles and thread, a pair of scissors, a halo wire. The halo wire will be sewed in front of the hair topper. Put 1 silicone ring on one side. Go through the thread 3 or 4 times to secure the ring. Put the second silicone ring on the other side and secure it. Make a big knot at the end of the halo wire. Make the halo wire through the needle. Sew the halo wire on one side, go through the silicone ring, then go through the other silicone ring on the other side. Next, put the third silicone ring through the needle and through it again. Take off the needle. Make a knot at the end of the halo wire.